Ebusuafo for na mreso mu akwa by the back in Sports our YouTube King Sports TikTok ebusuafo se ka me video bia na wa subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no so na be ya we drop new video bia ubenya notification no na watumi ahwem video no na wa share ama afoforo na omo nso anya bi ahwe me de maso bebre ewo de amoye ma me se de bia me video de abetum a mo hwe de ma me na mo de comment enso eba nyame nhira mu nyina ebusuafo yensemre no yenkɔ yensem a yede bramo ennede for the past weeks and also for the past week na yebedi kotoko new coach a oba ho nkomo yedemu abedi nkomo bebre na bi send messages de bia na new coach ba da ben na oba de bia ni pass message da ben na oba na yesi yede ensem no yebo wurem na yehu de eba na yede abre yahwefo na yetiefo me me boss Richardo Suarez Pepe yensem ne yese be ka ne keke o ye hwehwemu ye bowuram ye confirmation enhu se ade no ebeba so esi ye de abrɛ mu nti ensem a ye be ka ne nyina no yese ye be ka ne kwa ne nyina no one by one mu benya confirmation anase mbenya adanse na che se ensem na ye ka no ne kwatrodu na ye ka ye start free sporting director Mr. Pearl Stanley Menzo ye start free so ye ba board of directors ye ba executive chairman ye ba marketing manager ene ye ba coach into nsem a ye kan nyina no ene players a kotokopɛ sɛ mo san nyina no ye nsem a ye adwene sɛ anase ye wewura mu sɛ nsem nyina no korɛ asan ye di aba abontene te abusuafo nsem a ye kan nyina no ye sɛ tirimuka anase bosremuka na mmom nsem a ye wewura mu me boss Richardo Suarez Pepe ewurawura mu sɛ nsɛm na ɔde ba abontena so ɔde ba yahwefo anim nyina yɛ no korɛ asa de aba abontena yedi nkomo bebre na initially na nkomo na akɔyɛ sɛ Dutch coach no but after say ye appoint Mr. Stanley Menzo as sporting director for Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko yedi betum anim sɛ Dutch coach na ɔba nti yebedi saa nkomo no na ebusuafo de etie ne sɛ Dutch coach no nhyehyɛye anase agreement na ɛkɔɔyɛ no wangye antum na ɔngye ntum enti no saa deal no collapse saa de no collapse eno akyi na bɛka kyerɛ sɛ no sɛ Dutch coach na ɔba no sɛ enwoma ankɔ yie di a then the next coach a ɔba ɛbɛ South African coach a yɛde ne ba next no South African a yɛde ne ba Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko yɛne mu abedi saa nkɔmɔ no dadaada atwam abusuafo nyame nkyɛ adeɛ Endra ya ne yɛ breaki saa news no ɛrema wo sɛ Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko soccer club metema ukuma apem bɛba the best fabulous yɛde bɛtuma no mu sɛ sporting director yɛfrɛ no Mr. Pearl Stanley Menzo and Mr. Stanley Pearl Menzo any South African bi edi nkomo South African coach bi edi nkomo ema pa nkomodie na ɛkɔɔ so no ɛdɔm nyina atotom ema South African coach na yɛ ka na asɛm agye atom sɛ ɔba bedi ne dwumadie ɛde ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko metema na Andre ya na news no eba abontere say officially anase enkomodidie baabi akoduro no South African coach a anase South African a wasi akan anase wakochi various clubs ewo South African anase South Africa wasa si akan ewo South Africa including the Bafana national team wasa si akan ewo no Mr. Pearl Menzo eni na di nkomo na he's none other than Eric Tinkler na Eric Tinkler ya ye ka na ho asɛm ebusuafo one Mr. Stanley Pearl Menzo edi dwuma pen ɔne Mr. Pearl Menzo anasa Mr. Stanley Pearl Menzo edi dwuma pɛn because papa no initially I catch him so was South African links pa nti South Africa wɔn de onim hɔ yie ɛna papa no so ayɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔno as a sporting director no ohia coach a ɔno sporting director philosophy no will be in line and say ɛbɛyɛ pɛ because this time no Kotoko ɛyɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ they will sign young players, young talented players, not young players, but young talented but experienced players. Aba eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na sani abeya in some few years, 1 year, 2 years time to come no, Kotoko betumi aton such players. Na enye omonya sika. And I say Kotoko will have a philosophy. Say about tiki taka, say about a 3-back. Say about 4-4-2. Say about attacking football. Say the ni nyinaa. Eye sporting director no philosophy a odi ba no nti say sai ade we nyina ba bi mo oso onye coach a obeti ono sporting director no ni philosophy no ase. Ni say ye coach no so odi saa ne no to anim. Na say you don't buy his ideas. And as ni philosophy no won ti ase ma na anya de ono be ye adwuma. Because this time we are changing the face of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The reason why we are changing the face of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko is of late Kotoko will sign a player or beji huge salary at the end of his contract or beko free about Kotoko enya capre inframe. Until Mr. Pearl Stanley Menzo want to change that narratives. Say Kotoko be sign player trying to huge sum of money. Now, at the end of his contract, Obeko free, his philosophy is to get young players, young talented players, now 18, 20 years. In the near future, 2-3 years time, Kotoko between atomo and sika. Inti aye sporting director, ni philosophia, or the bano. Inti aye Eric Tinkler. A coach a sporting director and as a board of directors and Nedim Koma wachi ase obeye adwuma ade ama eye Krobia Metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enso ya Kotoko support that fashi wa adwuma say Kotoko new head coach Eric Tinkler. Yeah, the appointment say on the 18th of July Kotoko started pre-season. 18th of which is Monday. And the same no kase metumi aka say Kotoko available players omo are starting medicals medicals na say na be ya Monday no betumi start pre-season. It is said metumi aka say by the close of this week Stanley Menzo will arrive in Ghana precisely Kumasi with the coach friend Eric Tinkler na omo ba start omudwumadie Krobia Metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Because Kotoko entering started prison without the coach. Medicals ne koso nti ye hwe anim say coach no enso with the sporting director betumi bedru na o start prison no na o prepare ahead of next season. Nti abusuafo we no ene ensem kakra ye furu a ye ko ye de batu anim na wotwe atwam say Kotoko DBB and I said DBB United striker friend Kwadwo Antwi DBB. I don't know whether I'm getting the name right. DBB United player friend Kwadwo Antwi. The betu an man say or striker ba ko a osi akadema DBB United. Kotoko interested say umbenya Abrante no osi akadema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Abrante no when say DBB qualify for Ghana Premier League next season and season na ebesi akan wo Ghana Premier League ni mu na branch for sisi America say metumi aka cha mu say Kwadwo Antwi Kotoko mo age so mo pe no nkomodidie no bibie ho asa Kotoko slow wo Kwadwo Antwi deal no mu ni nyina na say mpenifo bi a omo ben Kwadwo Antwi etunufu say onya abotre for his move to Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko because some players be ako Kotoko as a nyoma ansheda anko ye anfa momo enti mpenifobia eben kudwatwi atunufo se ontiatia break ewo Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko move no enti as a Kotoko so slow down say sabeka abrant no Kwadwo entry from DBB United and I say DBB United hono na sansa me yeken metumi asiso aka akere say Mediama Sporting Club ane Kwadwo entry adi nkomo din a Mediama ehwe anim say omonsa betumi aka Kwadwo entry but hasan ba ko ampese mbuza ne say I say Mediama this is omo tata Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and has of folk because player bia Kotoko beko no ho bia na Mediama afa chire player bia Asante Kotoko ebebo ni din and so by my so mpesa player ni bia na Mediama adi chire enti sisi amene ko say Kwadwo Antwi a osi na kanema DBB United this is no be si akan Ghana Premier League no Mediama edianim se omosa betumi aka sa abrantie no na initial na Kumasi Asante Kotoko House of Folk ane Mediama SC Sporting Club ba sisi ameno ka say de Mediama edianim sa dem se omosa beka Kwadwo Antwi Mediama na wa ba understudy na wasi akan ediama Mediama nti ensem kakra ana say update fa Kwadwo Antwi DBB United one and also their one ebusuafo after say Kwadwo Antwi deal no bibia ho no say ye be san so obeba so mba no Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo omo attention play be Abdul Isaka Sa Abdul Isaka kana asem Kotoko product Kotoko set up with third division no part of players qualify by the second division Abdul Isaka asisi no Kotoko nuko loan Okowu United division 1 Okowu United last season na osi akandem Okowu United because didn't here make us say Kotoko imagine say they will sign a very young players, not young per se but young talented players. Enti Kotoko say ombenya strikers and I say players ombabwa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. This Abdul Isaka can asemi abra Kotoko ever third division league no abranti we to me share 17 goals Edma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko sign your opportunity bobo senior team ne kakra opportunity bobo senior team ne kakra nti Kotoko consider Abdul Isaka any one player friend Anthony Dua me bo Anthony Dua mo nyina so we Kotoko fan no support Kotoko and so follow Kotoko bo hu player me bo Anthony Dua later part of the season so be see akan kakra edema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti Kotoko mo have you say these two players Abdul Isaka and Anthony Dua Kotoko will invite them to the pre-season best starting no o monitor sa players no ma hwe modern mo say o metumi aboa Kumasi Asante Kotoko season ayi besimu ana say o muntumi mboa say na be look other opportunities ediama Krobia ana say ediama this Isaka ana say Anthony Dua look other opportunities ediama me bo player ba ku di acho Somoa say no Kotoko junior player Kotoko edno ko Celta Vigo Kotoko edno ko Celta Vigo ko join Celta Vigo almost Spain junior team no on loan loan nso yɛ kɔtɔkɔ Celta Vigo ɛsan request another loan na esi ameka kyerɛ ɛyɛ somoa asa permanent deal ɛde ama ɛyɛ Celta Vigo nti kɔtɔkɔ ɛhwɛ sɛ ɛyɛ Abdul Isaka ɛne ɛyɛ Anthony Dua sɛ even mpo sɛ ɔmo ntumi make it to ɛyɛ kɔtɔkɔ squad anasɛ kɔtɔkɔ senior team na they will look for those opportunities so that these players will get opportunity to play outside and I say even in the local league first division second division to get those experience in the near future and or in the near season see a kind of kotoko nti abusuafo si amenu mu kase update edema ho ana si ametumi aka je ho se Albert Amoa Prem no say Albert Amoa deal and I say Albert Amoa loan season and so loan deal with crop commercial and kotoko abana wie nti si amenu kate Albert Amoa free agent the free agent na oye no kotoko e dey atunum say nka be ya kombe say beba to us because sporting director and I have videos of Albert Amoa and he's interested in working with him but deal now omode come Albert Amoa no I say otwetwe no ho kakra all twen say an agent and I say representatives no ebenya deal from outside back Kenya any other African countries no na omenya deal no e dey ama Albert Amoa no obetu e say wokokosi akan ama omo anase obesi akan edama ekrobe kumasa atantiko anase obenya deal bia ebro kotoko offer na omode mom e wo local league no say GPL no mu no bosi akan edama wonti sisi apempram no gase Albert Amoa free agent kotoko ekrobe kumasa atantiko kotoko eguso a omoni dun komo ne hwese enioma ebekoyi edama Albert Amoa no watumi ato aso ediama krobia kumasi atanko nti abusuafo weni nsem anase update kakra eho amede mamu from krobia kumasi asante kotoko metema aso mede mamu abusuafo update bia bebia no ase de beto from bia ne mfa nkam elinyina bebremu se na be enwoma ebekoyi ediama nyina wo saka me video be na wa subscribe wa share wa like na enwoma nyina akoyi ediama because kotoko sisi anom ye moto a yedi wura mi say kotoko must be great again #kotoko must be great again ya me nhira mu nyina ye be share bye bye.